Hello guys, and welcome to my channel Linux Junkie. Before we get started, please like, share, and subscribe and hit that bell icon. Let's get started. So today we are going to see how to install the Snap Package Manager for Linux Mint. Most of the steps are identical for other Debian-based distributions as well. Also, all the commands will be provided in the description box as well. First, we need to remove the preference file present in Linux Mint that does not allow us to install Snap. Open the terminal and type sudo rm and then the directory. That's it, we have removed the file. Now, we update our system using the sudo apt update command. Let's wait for it to update. Finally, we install Snap using the apt package manager. Type sudo apt install snapd and wait for it to install. That's it, the install is now complete. We can check whether it has installed correctly by installing a package called Hello World using the Snap Package Manager. Let's wait for it to install. And if we run Hello World, we see that it works perfectly. Therefore, we have installed the Snap Package Manager successfully. Thanks a lot for watching this video. Watch more videos by clicking above and subscribe.